Chocho matata kambala mo Dr. Smosa mo amsithi bafethu. This is my episode TikTok umnaka broadcast job bafethu. Sikhumbula ukuthi sine morning drive bese siba ne afternoon and evening drive bafethu. So today bafethu ngithi angihamba bafethu ngize Lagos bafethu. Ngizococa namajita bafethu. Ngizokhuluma namajita bafethu. Sicocene namajita bafethu. Ngivu. Sure eta. Sure. Bafethu. Manje bafethu nihlezi nini Lagos bafethu. Konzakalana nicocile bafethu.
Ayisithema lami uyazi la ekhasi uboreka kuphela yazi ithema lami uboreka kunasipani lezi zinto zama-match and match ama-opportunity esipani siningi kakhulu mara nale mpintshi yami sikade sisacabanga sihleli lana ukuthi i-planning abani yazi ukuthi at least sibe ne-income nyana ngasithi abantu bavayile la ekhasi abanye yazi
Yeah.
Ezimpintshi yami nayo isasho nami I had that week ukuthi ngiyazimisela ukuthi ithi ngiyozama ukuthi ngiyoyenza ngivayise amaphepha wami as bekunama mash ne but some of us we are lazy uzofika ecompany iyona leyo abazokufonela bathi okay uzozothola oza interview sakudinga for interview ama qualifications akho aqualified ukuthi ungazi usithola leso span awufika lapha wena uyakhetha usazofuna ukubuza ukuthi ngiya ku retail or ngiya kuphi some of abantu bangaphandle they don't gonna choose they take any job because of the bias ukuthi it provides it puts something in the table but thina ngoba mina esayidini labo stipendela ebazaleni like sinalento leyo ukuthi hayi mina ngiyazi ngizofika endlini ngithole into so we are becoming lazy and so some other times ukuvuka like esibona ngathi ukudlala ngesikhathi sami singiyavuka ngiyale
mara ngiya understand bafethu so angitshele mara so how do you like nifela kanjani mandleni nje negazi bafethu inhleti nje ukhanze Monday or ukhanze ukuthi uzi inhleti nje igazi so nifela kanjani bafethu mara anangicoceleni ufuna ukuvuza ngana bafethu mina
yeah into esibora kakhulu ithema lami ungasibani uhlala every day kazi ungana plan uyabona ngoba abantu abaningi siyababona ukuthi baphelele ezintweni ezirong bavele babheka ama-drugs izinto ezizona asinto i-right bayangimakaza ngoba abantu abaningi bavayile mara abazama ispan abantu abaningi inkinga yabo
and so lana in our community kuyenzakalani some of us we prefer to use substance abuse like ngizothini drugs because of when siza la ephakeni esingasipani most of us
niza kuphi
la epark
iza la park
siza la epark so most of us we smoke if it's not weed if it's cigarette if it's not cigarette some bayazifihla and we know ukuthi laba bazifihla they smoke drugs so that we cannot see them but we know that actually they are smoking drugs so thina into esikhawatha ile environment le esikuyo le esikhulela kuyo because of at the end yithi thina abantu ukuthi siyazicindezela sizokhuluma sithi hey isipana sikho but isipana
sikhona just abantu hayi ukumakethe na
just nathi silezi cabanga abangakutshela ukuthi okay nasi span can you do a garden with South Africa
uzocela ukukhuluma ngemali
uzocela umlungu
uzocela ngemali nomuntu omnyama ocela umtshela ukuthi uzosebenzela 100 rand uzokukhala umuntu angaphandle uzoyisebenzela leyo 100 rand because of uyazi ukuthi leyo 100 rand mina ngingasebenzisa uzobeka isinto etafuleni 50 rand aloku ayibeka so us we don't have that mentality ukuthi ngabeka 50 rand I see that 50 rand ingathi it's fine because of 50 rand kulamalanga akusase next so mina angizobona ngathi ngisebenzela i100 rand or 150 it seems like ngathi angisebenzi there's nothing I do uyabo ibe ngathi no so khona umuntu maybe engathi ngiyamsebenzela nyana hayi and la ekhasi la kunama shops ukuthi singawayenza ukuthi upgrade as abantu abanye bahambile bashiya amashop ovela ngasenanex but cabanga mina sengizoba ethic shopping
ngiyazi imagine mina sizoba e-shopping ngithi ngithengisa amazimba or ngithengisa food items. Obvious ngizoba nalento lokuthi yo uzothini lo asengimthengisele i-arch, uzothini lo asengimthengisele
uzobheka
kanjani
yabo, uzobheka kanjani kusasa mangithengisa izinto eziso izinto eziso thina abantu abamnyama inkinga yethu sihlupha ile nto leyo ukuthi sikhetha imisebenzi, and imisebenzi is not like ayikho ikhona imisebenzi, just ukuthi kudinga abantu ukuthi bavuke bayomarket izinto eziso.
And some of us vele i-pride uyabona le pride lesinayo
and i-pride nje abantu abaningi balala ngendlala ngayo nge-pride
izoshiya khona la because of i-pride doesn't serve. Because of ngine-pride ngaba ne-pride ukuthi okay angeke ngikwazi ukukuthengisela isinko ne ubani ozonginikeza leyo mali mina ngeke ngikwazi ukukuthengisela isinko. And thina abantu abamnyama sihlupha ngento eyi-one, uzofika kimi today uthenge isinko ngikunikeze, kusasa ufike uthenge isinko ngikunikeze. Okay, you'll get to know ukuthi hayi uLebza ungithengisela isinko every day. Ethi ngithi today ngingayi ngemali ngithi ngithenga isinko ngivele ngithi hayi bra Lebza awungayi isinko ngizokubona late. Okay, nami ngizo-understand ukuthi hayi ngiyamcava vele umuntu wakuthi wala igasa ngathi ujwayelekile. So eventually ngizofuna ukumnikeza isinko. The moment ngimnikeza ngiyalose. I don't see.
Uyabona mara bafethu, uyazi bafethu, I think it's better ukuthi mhlawumbe uyabona nisitshele ukuthi okay yabona kusasa bafethu, even if nganamara at least le mali le banginikeze yona ekhaya but at least ngiwenze something ngayithatha bafethu just yona lincane ngingathi ukuthi ngobamba isitimu lapha bafethu ngihamba ngiya lapha eSando bafethu or Kempton Park share just only 2 CVM. After ngishare 2 CVM ngibuye ngizohlala ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ninawo amafoni, understand le phone mfethu uyifaka ku CV phone number uyifaka ku CV yakho bazokuthinta khona but hey nawe umsebenzi la ukhona mara mawuvuka just uhlale nje mfethu uyabona ukuthi sometimes bafethu bangaze bathi sevele ngoba sivuka thina sihlale singama South African kanti ufuna ukuthi mhlambe sihambe sizama ukumaketha bafethu sisebenze
yeah Grootman, I get your point there, but somehow kule misebenzi le uthi njenge iSando lapho uyibeke yacaca aba clear. iSando when you go there uhambisa ama CV wakho, they judge you not personality about your body. Bazofuna umuntu wangaphandle labaya ngenkani bayazi ukuthi
that is why uphakela umthakade baqosha manje, that is why kubona amashamashrat because of kwenzeka lezi zinto lezi bathatha abantu bangabani.
Yes,
that is why babaqosha
imashini isazoba khona, but one thing for sure angeke baphele labantu, and nakuma companies they are big people, ba big banekhundla ezo
mara bathi company manje ngosibona ithola ixesha abantu bangaphandle bambopha lo all akhona awuzange
yona ingabe injalo ne, but somehow la eSouth Africa there's a lot of corruption.
Manje awuthama awunikeze awuthama la ngive nayo ukuthi awuthama yona pitcham uthini wena pitcham
ngiyakubeka into abantu bangaphandle Brian kahle kahle angiboni ngathi izophela manje kahle kahle abantu laba baningi kakhulu and labantu kahle kahle kusarelaxile ngabo
basarelax
mawuthi ubhekile kahle kahle wonke imisebenzi mawuthi uya-check kugcwele bona thina into esifuna kahle kahle sifuna ukuthi labantu babaye
phela ndoda labantu bangaphandle bayakhona ukushaya isipanela bakhona ukwenza ukublakhulula amasoriji bakhona ukuplastela manje wona angaze kwazi ukuplastela.
It's not like asiwazi ukuyenza lezi zinto lesithina la eMzansi siyakwazi, it's not like abasiniki ichance ukuthi singayenza izinto eziso ichance yona asiyitholi mara ukuyenza singayenza izinto eziso
just because
opportunity hayi masiyitholile thina siyasebenza shem hayi angifuni ukutshela mangathi la
niyasebenza
kuyasebenziwa la eMzansi.
Sure, perfect. Danke ukucanda bafethu kama labo Dr. Sibonga Project. This is my SABC TikTok umnaka broadcast show bafethu la bengisakade bafethu ngisahlethe nabo me brother bafethu ngikhuluma nabo bome brother bafethu the way bafethu ikasi kungakhona bafethu bangitshela ukuthi ikasi bafethu kwenzekalana ikasi yini into bafethu bathi mama brother isidong bafethu kungaba khona i-chance bafethu bangasebenza bafethu abantu bangaphandle babathathela le opportunity abasanayo i-chance bafethu. Danko bafethu mina athi mfundisi bafethu hamba umnaka broadcast show ku-YouTube phinda kube ngumnaka broadcast show ku-TikTok njalo ngo-8 bafethu khona live bafethu up until 2 hours ku-TikTok bafethu mina phumile bafethu ngambili danko
Danko.
danko
Sure, man.